my mantra and mission this fiscal year will be pursued under the theme Jamaica, an innovation nation, engaging technology, empowering our people, enabling our country. It's a theme that gives us a very clear picture of the immense opportunities for development that exist in science, energy, and technology for the ultimate benefit of the Jamaican people.
Before his portfolio responsibilities were expanded to include transport, Minister Dial Vaz laid out a plan for deepening the penetration and use of scientific, energy, and technological advancements in fiscal year 2023-2024. On the Science and Energy Radar, a project to install the English-speaking Caribbean's first gamma irradiation facility will begin this year in Jamaica.
In the short term, the facility will be integral in two major international atomic energy agencies, technical cooperation projects that are of vital concern to the country in collaboration with the SRC, the Ministry of Health and Wellness. In the long term, the introduction of gamma ray technology will be applied to other segments of the agricultural and health sectors.
The SRC will use the gamma ray treatments to enhance the production of ginger, while the Health Ministry will use gamma irradiation to produce sterile male mosquitoes to control the population of the Aedes aegypti mosquito. By June 2023, the National Electric Vehicle Policy should be completed.
The policy, which is geared towards the supporting of the goal and improved energy efficiency, use of energy in the transport sector to promote e-mobility and a cleaner environment, seeks to provide the overarching framework for the associated ecosystems through a three-phase strategy that comprises public awareness, alternative mobility options, and local adoption.
At the same time, the ministry wants the country to immediately create a national roadmap to identify actions needed for accelerating the development of a peaceful nuclear energy program.
It is important for us to recognize the broader benefits of incorporating a cost-competitive energy source, such as nuclear energy, as our dominant source of energy. The opportunities that it can present in terms of creation of new industries, employment and economic growth, and the overall well-being of Jamaicans can be enormous.
The Energy Ministry is also working on the development of a real-time sensory network to track what type of fuel is being burned and what technologies are contributing to emissions in the country.
The information system is a powerful visualization tool with numerous benefits, including the generation of robust data for better understanding of carbon cycling and to support the decision-making of our policymakers.
Much is happening in the technology space. Government has allocated $1.2 billion for the National Broadband Initiative. This will connect another 102 schools across 6 parishes: St. James, St. Anne, St. Mary, Portland, St. Catherine, and Clarendon. The Universal Service Fund is expected to spend $463 million this year for new community Wi-Fi sites.
I've had discussions with the chairman of the USF, and I've had discussions with the managing director, and I've told them that we have to find additional resources and funding to give more MPs community Wi-Fis this financial year.
Funds have also been allocated to form a bastion of cyber support around Jamaica.
Commencing in the financial year, the ministry will be allocated a sum of $6.5 million in loans and $3.5 million in grants through a project jointly funded by the IDB and USAID to strengthen Jamaica's cybersecurity framework. In addition, through technical cooperation, it is anticipated that the country could benefit from an additional $500,000 for cybersecurity policy and legislation.
The budgetary allocation for the Jamaica Cyber Incident Response Team, JASERT, has been increased by $20 million.
This increased allocation will ensure that the following operational objectives are implemented: a coordination of public-private partnerships, focus on identification, analysis, and mitigation of risk from cyber and physical threats to internet-facing resources, national critical information and infrastructure.
Ensuring a thriving science, energy and technology sector is critical to the future of the Jamaican economy. It's critical to growth creation and raising national productivity.